In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hard reset a Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Plus smartphone. Okay, the first thing you need to do is to fully power the phone off. You can either press and hold down the power button to power it off, or you could remove the battery. This phone has a removable battery. Then put the battery back in and then the phone will be fully powered off. Okay, once the phone is fully powered off, you can then press and hold down the power button and the home button all at the same time until you see a screen appear that says Samsung Galaxy Grand Prime Plus, and then you can let go of all of the buttons. Okay, just let this run its course. Now it's going to turn into this screen right here. Let this just run its course, don't interrupt it, and this screen will move on to the next one. So just please wait. Okay, now the next thing you need to do, using the volume down button, go to Wipe Data Factory Reset. Press the power button. Using the volume down button, go to Yes. Press the power button. Okay, press the power button. And there you go. The hard reset is now complete. So I hope you found this video useful. If you have, please show your support for this channel by subscribing. Feel free to leave comments. Please like up this video, and thank you for tuning in.